gentlemen, in 36 hours, there have been 4 targeted killings in Srinagar. The killings are specific. A Kashmiri Pandit, a vendor from Bihar, a teacher from Jammu, and a Sikh principal of a school killed. Nationalist, patriotic Indians who believed in an integrated India, who proudly saluted the tricolour. They are the targets of terror. We need to respond very strongly and neutralize the terrorists. Let's debate.
As per the eyewitnesses, there were 2 to 3 terrorists who had come to the school and they dragged them out from the rooms, then they shot them from a very close range. We are seeing that the deployment in number has been increased after the incident, but it's also a challenging situation. Those innocent teachers killed today were actually nurturing the new generation of Kashmir in an integrated India. They were not only targeted because of being Kashmiri Pandit or Sikh, but also because being nationalist and patriotic. They were also targeted for saluting the tricolour and also urging the students to do so. I spoke to few of the witnesses.
तब तक हमें पता नहीं है जब तक हमने आवाज़ सुनी। जो ही हमने शॉट सुना उसके बाद थोड़ा हम अलर्ट हो गए। बस उसके बाद हमारी शिवरिंग, उसके बाद क्या हुआ हमें नहीं पता।
हम स्टाफ रूम में चाय पी रहे थे, मतलब शॉट्स की आवाज़ें सुनी, हमने देखा वो एक टीचर है पंडित दीपक, उसको हमने गिरते हुए देखा नीचे और ये भाग गए।
One of the victims of today's terror incident is the principal Supinder Kaur, a resident of Aluchi Bagh area of Srinagar. Her family is distraught. The other victim of the terror incident is Jeepak Chand, who actually hailed from Jammu. He was shot dead outside his class, and now the family of his is asking what the government is doing.
तो वो हमें नहीं धमकियां दे रहे, वो इंडियन गवर्नमेंट को धमकियां दे रहे हैं। तो अब हमने देखना है ये इनका क्या करते हैं।
Terrorists want to target minorities in the Kashmir Valley because in less than 48 hours we are seeing the more minority killings, whether we talk about the chemist Bindru or for that matter the non-local street vendor who was selling bhel puri in the downtown area of Srinagar on Tuesday. They were shot dead, and now again these terrorists came inside this very school and targeted the Sikh community. The teachers are from the Sikh community. They lost their life.
कम्युनल रंग देने के लिए ऐसी किलिंग्स को, ताकि आपसी भाईचारा जो जहां पर कश्मीर में आपस में लोगों का है उसको नुकसान पहुंचे, उसको ठेस पहुंचे, उस तरह के इरादे से जहां पर हो रहा है।
It is time to identify and act on all those who question the tricolour and embolden terror.
मगर जब तक हमारा अपना एजेंडा डाकुओं ने डाके में ले लिया है, तब तक हम किसी और एजेंडे को हाथ में नहीं उठाएंगे।
There is a growing anger against these barbaric killings, and the demand is for stern action on terror and those backing it.
She was killed by a gun-wielding terrorist who received social sanctity from across the border and from elements here. And people who give that social sanctity need to be socially boycotted.
And all-out operations are the only way.
कल मैंने खुद भी रिव्यू किया था और मैं कहना चाहता हूं कि तैयारियां हमारी पूरी हैं और सुरक्षा एजेंसियों को पूरी आज़ादी दी गई है कि कोई परहेज करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। ऐसे लोगों के खिलाफ जितनी सख्त कार्रवाई करनी है वो तुरंत की जानी चाहिए।
The new Kashmir rejects terrorism and the attack on nationalism. The new Kashmir is proud to be Indian. Let's debate.